How to redeem voucher code on Uber. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide on how you can redeem voucher code on Uber. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is you'll have to open up your Uber application, and here you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in here, you can see you'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you can see home, services, activity and account option. You want to simply select the account option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it here, it will take you to your profile here, and you can see various different options. You can see help, wallet and activity at the top, and under it you can see settings, messages, business, help, Uber Eats promotions, Uber Eats favorites, manage Uber account and legal option. Now since you want to redeem your voucher code, all you have to do is you want to select the wallet option there at the top, and once you select the wallet option here, if you scroll down here you can see the vouchers option. Currently I have 0 vouchers, and if you want to add voucher code, you want to simply tap on add a voucher code option, and here you'll be able to enter in your voucher code and simply tap on continue, and you'll be able to redeem it. So this way you can use or redeem your voucher code in Uber. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.